Okay, so this is the final part of what I think needs to be the user manual for your usandroidtv.com box. But like I always like to do, public service, announcements, videos, vlogs, whatever. This video will probably end up not only on the user manual section of my website, but also under the blog because it's really useful for people. And this is just quite simply the easiest absolute way to update your Kodi without having to do a fresh start. If you're a programmer, you know what I'm talking about, or losing anything. It's really simple. So whether you're on your phone, whether you're on a tablet, whether you're on an actual Android TV box, I'm assuming most are going to be on an Android TV box, so we're going to do that. And it's really simple, guys. All you have to do is you find your settings box. It may look a little bit different from that, but it usually has a gear and it usually says settings. You click that, and then every box I've ever seen has this exact same row of options. So here's as simple as it is, guys. You go down to personal, and it's going to want you to put in your Gmail account. If you have an Android smartphone, you already have a Gmail account. Most people have a Gmail account. If you don't have a Gmail account, you simply go, to www.gmail.com. You sign up for one. It's free. Yes, it's another email account, but you don't ever need to check it. And then you're able to input your information. But I'll advise you of this. If you don't have a Gmail account and you create one, make sure that you create a Gmail email address and a password that you can always remember. Because believe me, it's already happening and it's almost done, but everything is Google. As you can see, I already have, to save time, I have my Gmail account plugged in here. So, if you're going to add your Gmail account, you simply go over to personal, you hit add account. It's going to pull up some options. You're going to want to add a Google account. So you click on Google, and then it takes you through a progression of screens. It's really simple. You enter your email or phone number. The next screen will be to enter your password. The next screen after that will ask you if you want to back up your data, like your phone contacts and all that. You can say no. The screen after that will ask you to add a credit card. You can go to the bottom of that. It says no thanks. And then you click next, and it'll link your account. Again, I'm not going to do any of that. As you can see, we sat on here long enough to where now it says, or create a new account. So whether you hit the plus and go to the account or whatever, you go to the Play Store, if you don't log in enough time, it'll tell you to create a new account. But I'm not going to put a new account in because, again, my account's already here. And there's no need to proceed any further or waste any time. Let's go up to Google Play. Sometimes it's, a shortcut like this. It is on most of the more expensive boxes. They usually have a thing for it. But if you don't have a box like this for it, it's always under apps or my apps. On our budget box, it's actually called my apps. And you click it and it pulls up all your apps. And you're looking for Play Store or Google Play Store if you have a different kind of box. So again, with your Gmail account already linked up, once you hit the Google Play Store, it's already checked your information, you're already synced, you're already good to go. And I might have tampered with it a little bit trying to add a new account that I didn't add, but it will pull up the Google Play Store. So for a minute, I'm going to go ahead and pause this video until my Google Play Store pulls up. Yeah, I definitely threw a monkey wrench in things when I tried to do a new account, but didn't do a new account. I think it got confused, so I actually restarted my box. But anyway, so the Google Store is pulled up right now. All you're going to do is you're going to, if you don't have an air mouse, which again, I don't know why anybody that would have one of these wouldn't have, you can always do K-O. I mean, it knows I have an air mouse, so it's not allowing me to do it, but you can scroll around D-I and do it. Easier for me if I've got an air mouse, I flip my remote upside down and I type in K-O-D-I, or I can do the arrow and I can go right to Kodi. Like, pull up the mouse and bam, there I am. Okay, now here's what's a little bit different. Again, as of right now, which is October 12, 2017, the latest version of Kodi that they're running that's stable is 17.4, which I am running on my box. So the option that I'm wanting to show you is not here, so we have to use our imagination for a second. And what you will see if you're running anything earlier than 17.4 is you will see an option here for update or open. And basically what you want to do is you want to find the update option, and you want to either use your mouse or your directional arrow to scroll to where that is highlighted. I always, again, using the Air Mouse, which we have on our website for $25, is easy because I've got full mouse control and I've got a full keyboard on the back. You should check it out on our website at usandroidtv.com. And under our products, it's the Air Mouse remote control. I highly recommend it. I literally, for my TV and my box, have one remote. But anyway, if I were running an older version, this would say update, and I would simply click that. And the next screen that I would have on there are the permissions screen. So if there's any different permissions, it would tell you what they are. If there's no new permissions, it would say no new permissions. And then down in the bottom right-hand corner, it would say install. And I would click that, and it would basically install Kodi, the latest version of Kodi. And that would be all there would be to it. As is with any computer device, we always recommend that you shut down and you restart. So what we would do is after Kodi has successfully updated and you're back to the Google Play Store screen, you can hit your home button, or however you get back to the main screen, hit your power button, and then hit OK. On the budget boxes, it allows you to reboot, or it allows you to power off. I recommend doing a power off, as this one is right now. It has no power to it whatsoever. And just to save a little bit of time, so I have to go back over to my remote, I'm going to allow it to be powered down for 10 seconds, and then I'm going to go ahead and power it back up. And that literally, folks, is it. Once you pull up your main home screen and you go to Kodi, you will be running the latest version of Kodi. Now, if you're always plugged into the Play Store, it should be an auto update option. How long are we on the video right now? 7 minutes. Okay, I'm going to try to get this done in under 3. I want to show you something real quick, because if you leave your Gmail account attached to your box, then it should auto update for you. So real quickly again, I just want to show you something. If it'll pull up. There, it pulled up instantly, thank goodness. But I'm going to do something real quick, and okay, that's not working. It's probably because I'm on mouse already. When I try to hurry, I make mistakes. So you'll have to forgive me. But let's see. Okay, well now I'm not able to do it. Isn't that wonderful? Pause that for a second. Sorry about that. We had a little bit of technical difficulty, but I want to show you something real quick. If you pull up Kodi, up to your update, again, mine says uninstall because I'm running the most current version or open. But up at the top right-hand corner, which even by the naked eye is hard to see, next to the magnifying glass is a 3-dot hamburger menu. As you can see, my auto update is checked. So if I keep my Gmail account plugged in, I will always be up to date on my Kodi program, and I'll never get the warning. If you decide you don't want to have your Gmail account attached, you can go to settings, and you can go down to your Gmail account, and you can actually remove the account if you want to, but really there's no need to. So I'm going to go ahead and include the video. Again, if this helps you out, feel free to share it to anybody it can help out. I don't do this all for the money. If you're one of my customers, usandroidtv.com, I hope this has helped you out. Again, don't forget to like the video. If you have any questions and you're watching this on YouTube, leave me a message and I'll answer it back as quickly as possible. And subscribe to my channel, please, because it makes me feel better about myself. So until next time on a vlog post or whatever, YouTubers, we'll see you.